Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to find someone on Signal app. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Signal app. Here tap on this icon as shown here. Now here you can find by username or find by phone number. If you want to find by username, tap on find by username and type in your friend username, or if you want to find by phone number, type in find by phone number and select your country code and type in phone number of your friend and then tap on next button. So in this way you can find your friend by phone number or by username. For now my friend has not Signal app, so it is not shown here, but if your friend have Signal app, then it will definitely show you up here. So this is how you can find someone on Signal. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.